In front of me is Oppo A5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Floating Window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. If you want to resize it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, click on those three dots and operate all of those. To close it completely, just swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!